How do you file your taxes as a self-employed? So if you do freelance work, online jobs, or side hustles, you're considered as a self-employed and you don't get a W-2 form. So the first thing you'll need to do is gather your income. So first you want to collect all your income records, and this could be 1099 forms, payment apps, or total earnings from clients. So for example, you could have forms such as 1099K or the 1099 NEC, and also payment apps such as PayPal, Stripe, or bank transfers. And then you will need to gather or track your expenses, gather your business expenses, things such as the internet, the software, equipment, or anything you used to earn that money. And then you will need to use a tax filing software. You can use the ones on IRS.gov website. Some of them are free. So for example, you can go to irs.gov, click on File and then Individuals, and then click on File your taxes for free online. Now click on Explore Guided Tax Software and choose one of these trusted partners. Make sure it offers free federal return in all states if you qualify. And then you will need to register an account if you don't have one by clicking on Get Started. Otherwise, you can log into your existing account. And then you will need to start filing a new tax return, which will guide you through the process by asking you questions, and then you'll need to fill out that information. Make sure to select or choose the option for self-employment income. And then you will need to enter your total income from all sources. If you have multiple 1099 forms, you can add them together and then just type the income sum. And the software will automatically calculate the taxes for you. And then you will need to add any expenses they might have, which can reduce how much tax you owe or how much you get in refund as well. And as a self-employed, you might also pay extra self-employment tax because you're covering both the employee and the employer taxes. And once you've entered all the information, you will need to review them carefully and then submit your tax return from the website or the software. And it's as simple as that. You track your income, you add expenses, and then enter everything into the software and then submit. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.